Welcome to Itential Command Template Artifact demo. In this video, we will introduce an artifact for pre- and post-command, as well as analytic template execution. This artifact supports both demo and real-time modes. This artifact is intended to be used by either new IAP users who want to learn more about execution and evaluation of command and analytic templates within IAP, or advanced users who want to implement the use case within their organizations. The artifact consists of a set of modular command template, analytic template, workflow, and a form that can be adopted individually for customization purposes. Similar to all Itential artifacts, the pre- and post-execution artifact comes with a comprehensive README documentation to help user to start using Itential automation platform. The best way to obtain and start this artifact is by using app artifacts. Once installed, press the green play button in the app to initialize the workflow. Then pick a mode. Thank you for watching this command template artifact intro video, and as always, feel free to check all of our open source artifact projects under the @Itential open source scope in npm.js or via the app artifact.